Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook private. All right. Just a quick heads up, locking and making your Facebook private is a different thing. All right. Now let's go back to making your profile private. Let's go ahead and tap the three horizontal lines right here and just go ahead over to the settings, which is right here at the bottom. By tapping on settings and privacy, tap on it and go to settings. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find the section audience and visibility. All right. You'll be able to make your profile details private, your posts, stories, reels, and some other good stuffs. All right. Say, for example, profile details right here. And as you can see, I have my email right here. Yours might be set to public. If this is on public, just go ahead and hit on only me, hit on save, and do that to each of every details right here. All right. Go back. Now in here, how people find and contact you. In here, as you can see, who can send you friend request. Tap on it and just go ahead and tap on friends of friends if you don't want random people just adding you. All right. Once done, just hit on save. Now in here, who can see your friends list? Make sure that it is set to only me. All right. So that nobody will see your friends list. Go ahead and hit on save. And here, people with your email address, tap on it. No one. People with your phone number. No one. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? Again, if you want to make it private, disable this one or turn the slider off. Now in here, how you get message request for friends of friends on Facebook, deliver request to chats. Tap on it. Don't receive request if you don't want to, but this one is optional. All right. This one here as well. Go ahead and change the options if you prefer. All right. I'm going to hit on back. Now here in your post, current post or future post, as you can see, who can see your future post? Just tap on it. Go ahead and hit on specific friends, friends accept, or your friends only. All right. If you want to make your profile as private as possible, make sure that you don't hit on public. All right. Just hit on friends. Save. As you can see here, there's an option as well that you can limit who can see your past post. Hit on view and just tap on limit past posts. As you can see here, if you choose to limit your past posts, post in your timeline that you've shared with friends of friends, and public posts will now be shared only with friends. All right. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also still see the post. Just go ahead and hit on limit past post, tap on the blue button, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to change the stories, reels, and other stuffs right here as well, with the same set of steps, you'll be able to make your account private. Now, if you're wondering how do we lock our profile, I have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up on our channel, how to lock a Facebook profile. All right. Or I'm just going to leave a link in the description below. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.